Hello, I'm Emma. Everyone is welcome to Inehub to earn money online. We have been helping you make money online for years. We look forward to serving you in the same way for a long time to come. Through this video, you can learn how to properly create and effectively verify a KuCoin account. Also, if you create a KuCoin account through our website, you can get our trading signals for free. So register through our link. First, visit our Inehub website. Go to Best Crypto Exchange in its menu where you can find KuCoin registration link. Otherwise, register via KuCoin link in YouTube description. If you already have a Google, Apple, or Telegram account, you can select those accounts and register directly. First, enter your email address or phone number. Enter these fields in place of referral code. If you came through our link, it will automatically fall into this. Click Tick to agree with the terms and conditions. After, click Create Account and claim rewards. Then a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address and enter it here. Now enter a strong password. Then click Confirm. Now let's start the verification. Click Verify button. First, select the country where your identity is issued. Select the type of ID you hope to verify. Enter your first name, last name, and ID number. Then click Continue. There are some special things to consider while taking the ID photo. The 4 corners of the ID should be visible. Shouldn't be blurry. Your name, address, and ID number provided earlier should be same as the upload document. After it is successfully uploaded, you need to verify your face. Remove hats and eyewear to begin this. After opening the camera, move your face as it appears on the screen. Movements can be of this type. Look left, look right, look up, look down. Blink your eyes, open your mouth. After successfully completing this step, your KuCoin account will be verified within a few minutes. Sign up now to get free signals. And subscribe us. Call us immediately if you need any help. More via our Inehub website.